Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today I will show you how to change your email address on Shopify. I'm going to show you this on my computer, but if you want to do it on your phone, the steps are the same. Make sure you have an active internet connection. So the first step is to open up your browser. In the search bar, type Shopify and hit enter. Click on the top option from the Google search results. This will bring you to the Shopify homepage. So if you already have an account, you can log in here. Enter your credentials, and this will take you to your Shopify dashboard. In the top right corner, click on your name. This will open up some options. Click on Manage Account. Here you can see your email address. The option next to your email address will say Update. Click on it. Sometimes you have to verify through your Google account. Let me quickly verify so I can show you how to change your email. Now click on Update on the right, and here you go. You can fill out your new email address and save it. Thanks for watching.